Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds SOUNDCORE C40i. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. So open settings, go to the Bluetooth, and if it's turned off, just turn on it and then tap on your device at the device list. And we have connection. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case, and now your earbuds will disconnect it from your phone. So then, after 5 seconds, you just open it and it will reconnect to your phone and it can fix your problem. So check it. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add these earbuds. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds as the device list. Then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device after that. And these earbuds, if you have no more connection, these earbuds will enter to pairing mode automatically. But we can also enter to pairing mode manually. At the bottom of the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold on it until this light starts flash like I have right now. And you will also enter to pairing mode. Then tap on your device at the device list, and if you have Android, click also pair after that. And we have connection. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that, do not close this case. After that, at the bottom we have connectional button, so you need to press and hold it until this LED light flashed red 3 times. So I press and hold, and now we wait. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we should remove these earbuds from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget and forget. Also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and after a factory reset these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So now we see it at the device list, just tap on it, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!